Hi guys, Chim here. Welcome to Chim Sneaker. And today I'm gonna introduce to you one of the heaviest Converse shoe that I got. Ta-da! Guess what? I think you all know from the title of the video, but here it is. Let's see, let's have a look at our baby. It is the Converse runstar motion, one of the most impressive models from this brand up to date. And I think it is also one of the most successful successor of the original Chuck 70s too, because you know that since Converse introduced, Chuck Taylor Classic and Chuck Taylor 70s are two of the most known sneakers from their brand. And just only like 3 or 4 years ago, when Converse runstar hike is introduced, they become a little bit more popular and become like the new generation of Converse shoe, followed up by this runstar motion. There are also a lot of innovative models, just like the Converse CX, but they are not as successful as the two model. And I think the reason why the shoe is so successful is that because the design is able to keep the old spirit of Converse, which is liked by everyone, and also add some interesting features. In this shoe, you can see that the upper of the shoe is basically the same upper of Converse Classic and Converse Chuck 70s, but there are some extra banded which have the Chuck Taylor embroidery on the tongue and at the back of the heel, and basically it looks the same as the Converse Chuck 70. The most innovative features in this shoe is the midsole and outsole of it, because you know it has a very wavy design, which is actually an upgrade from Converse runstar hike. Because the Converse runstar hike, this part looks very simple, and somehow I feel it detached to the main upper of the shoe, but this is like way more natural and way more impressive too. When you held this shoe on your feet, everybody will look at you, like look at your feet definitely, because it looks so weird but so interesting. Yeah, and like the design of the platform is super intelligent too. You can notice that the white part here is totally lift up from the ground, and just only two outsole, one in gum color at the front and one in black color at the back, touch the ground, and that makes the midsole and outsole is very difficult to get dirty, so it is absolutely a plus point. And this shoe is definitely a fashionable shoe for an interesting look, and it is easy to match with a lot of different kind of clothes. But one of its biggest drawbacks is that it is very hot. Like, it makes your feet feel a little bit painful when you use it for such a long time. I remember using the shoe like for 3 hours standing, and then after that when I went home on that day, my feet is like numb. Like, because the platform makes you feel a little bit uncomfortable when you use it for such a long time. Besides that, I think this shoe is definitely a worth to own and an iconic shoe in your collection. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoy my video and like my video give helpful information to you. See you in the next video of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like for my video.